Alright, let's try this one. How it melts. How it smells, guys. Let's try this Sordinero number 39. Any one of you try this? Let me know if you like it or not. Okay, what did I whistle? I like that idea. Let's see. I like it. Wow, I like it. I like it. I like it. It smells good. Wow. This is perfect for daily use or just after your shower. Spray it to your body. And that's it. I love this one. Alright. There you have it. Marlon.